Hi everyone and welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to call back a private number. Let's get started. Go to your mobile phone, tap on the phone icon. Tap on the dial button at the bottom and dial #69 for the landline. Dial *69 to automatically call back the last number that called you. Your phone provider may set a time limit for calling back a number. Sometimes this feature does not work in all devices. And one thing more, you won't get the actual phone number, but you'll at least get in touch with the caller. Alternatively, checking phone call logs. This method works for both landlines and cell phones. Open your phone's call history or recent calls list. Look for the missed call from the private number. Sometimes, even with a blocked number, a basic outline, like private number or unknown, might show in the call log. Now, call back to contact. There you have it. These are the main ways to call back a private number potentially. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials,